just a quick tutorial on how to use the conditional formatting feature on Excel, as well as using the if-then function, which just means that you're assigning a cell to highlight a certain color or do something specific when something occurs. So I have a column to input my grades and then the percentage achieved from that grade, and then I want to make the next column change to either pass or fail based on what grade I got. So just to get right into it, to assign the if-then statement, in my scenario, we'll pretend that you need a 75% to pass. So you have to put an equal sign in the cell that you're assigning the function to because it is a function, and then you type in if. So you can press on the function that appears right there. Excel is pretty good at telling you how to use the function, so here it's saying that we first need to input the logical test, which is just a determining factor. For us, it's if the percentage column is greater than 75%. So you just click on that column, which is cell D2, and then put the greater than sign, and then write 75, no percentage sign. Then you assign what will happen if that factor is true or false. So put your comma, and then you want to say pass or fail if it's over or under 75 respectively. Just keep in mind that if you want to write it out, you have to put quotation marks around that word. Once you fill that out, close the bracket and then pull down the function using the square in the bottom right corner for all of your grades or assignments. We should have done this earlier, but now I'm going to quickly place a function in the percentage column just to multiply your grade obtained by 100 in order to turn it into a percentage, and we're just going to pull it down again. So just to make it a little bit more fun, I'm going to assign colors to the pass or fail column and make it a little bit more visually appealing. So you highlight all the cells that you assign that function to, and then click on the conditional formatting button up here, and then highlight cells rules. Since we're going to assign the rule based on the text that we inputted, we click on text that contains button, where we write the word in the empty space, and then since it's a happy thing to pass, let's just change the color to something happier like yellow. And then we're going to go and do the same thing for fail, so click on the highlight the text again, click on the conditional formatting button, text that contains, and then type in fail into the box. You can all just type in F or FA or whatever if you're lazy. The cell will highlight all the cells that have whatever you typed in it. We can change this to more of a sad color like gray just to fit our visual. So if we get over 75 on the assignment or the exam, the cell will turn yellow, but if we get under 75, the cell will turn gray. Now let's test it out. Let's say I got 8 out of 10 on the first assignment, which means we passed, and the cell is turning into a pass. Assignment 2 was a little worse, and we got a 7 out of 10, which means that we failed, but it's okay. We studied a little more for assignment 3 and got a pass again. So it's kind of fun just to see the colors changing once you're inputting your different grades. Keep going on test 1, you did bad again, and you got a fail, but then you studied hard for the second test and the final, so you did well on both and a pass on both. Overall, just viewing at it, you can see that there's more yellow than gray, so you're happy. And again, that's just called conditional formatting on the cells and assigning an if-then statement.